Now, two conducting concentric spherical shell of radius capital R and 2r are carrying the charges capital Q and minus Q respectively. Now, charges on inner shell is doubled. The ratio of potential difference between shell in final to initial. Now, it is just like the question number. It is just like question number 51. Clear. Now, two conducting spheres, radii r and 2r. This is r. This charge is q. And next another one is two r. Charge is minus q. Now first find the potential difference between these two. On the surface you take it V1, and in the inner sphere you take it V2, or inside or whatever. Clear? Now already I said inner potential is always greater than potential on the outer surface. So you take it V2 minus V1. Clear? First try to write V2. Potential on inner surface. Potential on inner surface is potential due to positive charge and potential due to negative charge. This will be K into potential due to negative charge. You take it minus K Q by 2R. Clear? Plus potential due to discharge K Q by R. Clear? Now it is minus kq by 2r. This is kq by r. Clear? Now we already V2 equation at V1. V1 is potential on the outer shell. Potential due to discharge minus kq by 2r. Potential due to inner shell, that is plus kq by 2r. Now V2 minus V1. Here V2 is minus kq by 2r plus kq by r. Minus of minus, this will be plus kq by 2r minus kq by 2r. These two will be cancelled. Kq by r minus kq by 2r. This will be kq by 2r. This is initial. Next, what did they do? Same situation. This is R. This is 2R. Now, what did they do? Now the charge on inner shell is double. Previously Q, now this is 2Q. This is remains same. Same in this case. Now you take it here, potential is, let us say V1 dash. Now this is, you take it V2 dash. Only the small change, this equation V2 dash will be now potential due to outer shell. Then outer shell charge we did not change, only we changed inner. This is the potential due to inner. So this will be 2Q by R. And this is V1 dash. Same. Only this will be changed. Now V2 dash minus V1 dash will be minus KQ by 2R plus 2KQ by R plus KQ by 2R minus 2KQ by 2R. These two will be cancelled. We have 2KQ by R minus 2KQ by 2R. 2 cancel. 2KQ by R, KQ by R. This is 2 times, this is 1 time. Then we can write KQ by R. What did they ask? The potential difference between shell, ratio of the potential difference, final to initial. This is final, this is initial. So V2 dash V1 dash by V2 dash minus V1 dash by V2 minus V1 will be KQ by R by KQ by 2R. This will be 2. Now the option 2 is correct. Now 54. With the minimum velocity of charge particle minus 2 comma m should be thrown from the surface of a charged conducting sphere of radius capital R having charge capital Q so that it does not return to sphere. It is just like escape velocity. Clear? There we have taken Earth. Here we are taking charged body. So this a charge sphere of radius capital R having a charge small q. On the surface we need to project negative charge so that it never comes to this sphere. It is just like escape velocity. What did you do there? We already kinetic energy plus potential energy equal to 0. So our potential energy of the system body is equal to kinetic energy. Here we follow the same. So we need to project with kinetic energy which is equal to potential energy of the system 1 by 4 by epsilon naught capital Q small q by R. They are asking velocity, so make it V subject to. So cancel these two ones. To do then V is equal to under root of capital Q small q by 2 pi epsilon naught R into this m comes this side. Now the option is 2. Now come to 55. Two conducting spheres A and B of radius smaller and 3r are separated by a distance d and are uniformly charged. If the spheres are connected by a conducting wire, then in the equilibrium position, the ratio of the magnitude of electric fields at the surface of the sphere A and B. Clear? Now A sphere, this is R charge QA and this is 3R charge QB. In the beginning I said when identical spheres in contact, if you made a contact, charge will be distributed. I mentioned equally, but here these two are not identical. In this case, what happens we will see now. What did they do? They connected with the wire like this. If we connect this wire, their potential will become equal. Potential of A will be equal to potential of B. It is just like a water level. Clear? Now, how do we write? This is K into Q A by R. Let us say this is R. You consider this as a RA is equal to K into QB by RB. AK cancel. So this is QA by QB is equal to RA by RB. Clear? Now what they are asking? Then the ratio of magnitude of electric fields at the surface of the sphere. They are asking EA by EB. So EA by EB, what is different from the electric field formula? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Clear? Now based on this, we can write QA by RA square by QB by RB square. This will be QA by QB into RB square by RA square. What is QA by QB? RA by RB square by RA square. One square will be cancelled. We have RB by RA. What is RB value? 3R. What is RA? R cancelled. This is 3. Now 3 is the correct option. Now come to 56. Two concentric spherical conducting shell of radii 2r and 3r carrying a charge q and 2q respectively. Change in electric electric potential on the outer shell when both are connected by conducting wire. Okay, now 2R and 3R. This is 2R and this is 3R. This is carrying current charge Q. This is 2Q. First write the potential of this on the surface. Let us say V1. Total potential I am taking. K into potential due to potential on the surface. First potential due to 2Q charge. 2Q by 2R plus potential due to inertia on the surface. K into what is the charge? Q by what is the distance? 3R. Then this is K into 3Q by this is also 3R. Outer shell radius is 3R. So 3R. And potential due to this charge KQ by 3R. 3R. Clear. Now this is potential on the surface. Now what did they do? They connected with the wire. Inner shell they connected with outer. In this case, the total charge will be transferred to the outer shell. Then this 2Q will become Q. 2Q plus Q will be 3Q. Now there is no charge on the inner shell. Now the potential on this will be now, let us say V2 is equal to K into 3Q by 3R. There is no charge on the sphere, so there is no, this will not be, no charge. So due to this shell, no potential will be there. So what did they ask? Changing potential they asked. Then V2 minus V1. Both values are same. Then the answer is 0. See, always if you connect like this, if you compare previous equations, potential on the inner surface, potential on the outer surface, clear? RMS potential is more on inner surface. When potential is more, always charge will flow from higher potential to lower potential. So here we have a higher potential, so that charge will transfer to the outer shell. Now the difference in potential is 0. Now 57. As shown in the figure 2, conducting thin concentric shells are of radii R and 4R. The outer shell carries a charge Q. Inner shell is neutral. The magnitude of charge that will flow from inner shell to Earth if the switch S is closed. 57. This radius is small r. This they are grounding. The outer shell is there. This is given for this capital Q, and take this small before switch is closed. Then first find out before switch is closed. Then what happened? Potential inside and outside or on the surface will be V is equal to potential into first this sphere K into Q by R and potential into bigger plus K into capital Q by what is that 4R. Clear? Now this is before. Then next inner shell. Then the magnitude of charge that will be flow from inner shell to the earth if the switch is closed. Then switch is closed, what will happen? Potential will become 0. Then this you make it equal to 0. When you connect this, the potential of this sphere will become 0 because charge of the surface will move to the ground. Then potential of this inner shell will become 0. Then this is we can write KQ by R plus KQ by 4R is equal to 0. Capital R, smaller, so smaller, this will be also smaller, this will be also smaller. So then Q by R is equal to minus KQ by R is equal to minus KQ by 4R. KK cancel, q cube cancel, small q is equal to minus q by 4. Clear? So magnitude not mentioned in the options, so I mean sign not mentioned. So if they mention option is q by 4, option 3, but they ask only magnitude, so that option 3 is correct. Next 58. Electric field is directed along x-axis. The variation of a with x is as shown in figure. If electric potential is 20 volt at the origin, potential at x is equal to 4 meters. They given figure like this: 4. This is 10. E. This is not mentioned. So they are asking at the origin what is the potential. Let us say if you take it V1 is they mentioned as 20 volts. Now here at this point they are asking V2. If we follow a relation, what is that? E is equal to minus dV by dx. This we can write dV is equal to minus E dx. Clear? Or integrate. Now this is V2 minus V1 is equal to, this is, if you do this we will get area. So area you will find this area. Then this is equal to minus 1 by 2 into, this is triangle, right angle triangle, area 1 by 2. What is the base? 4. What is the height? 10. 2. This is 20. Then they are asking V2. So V2 minus V1 is 20 is equal to minus 20. Then V2 is equal to minus 20 plus 20 is equal to 0. Now the option is 4. Now come to 59. The electric potential varies as V is equal to 10 minus 3x square, where V is in volt and x is in meter. The force experienced by the charge 5 microcoulomb is V given. V is equal to 10 minus 3x square. The charge given Q is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb. They are asking force. What is the force formula? F is equal to EQ. But we need to know E value. What is the relation between potential and electric field? E is equal to minus dV by dx. So differentiate. Minus d by dx are, what is V? 10 minus 3x square. Differentiation of constant 0. Minus of minus plus 3 x square difference 2x, this is 6x, and what is the x also given, x is equal to, when x is equal to 2 meter, what is the force? Then x is equal to 2, what is the field? E is equal to 6 into 2, 12 Newton per. This is not answer, we need to apply E here. So 12 into, what is the charge? 5 into 10 power minus 6. Then 5 into 12 into 5, 60 into 10 power minus 6 Newton. Now the option is 3. This we can write 6 into 10 power minus 5 Newton. Now 60. The electric potential at a point x, y, z is given by V is equal to minus x square y minus x z cube plus 4. The electric field E at a point is 60. Potential is given V is equal to minus x square y minus x z power 3 plus 4. They are asking field E. So potential is there in the 3 dimension. So what is the relation between E and V? E is equal to minus dV by, actually this is dr. Clear? Now first do with x, then do y, then z. So first to, let us say, field along x will be ex is equal to minus dv by dx. This will be, if you do with differentiation with x, minus of minus plus 2 x square differentiation 2x y minus of minus plus x into z cube differentiation with x, x differentiation 1, so z cube differentiation of constant 0, then e y minus dv by dy minus of minus plus x square by differentiation only x square, so x square, here we do not have any y term and here also we do not have any y term, then e z is equal to minus dv by dz differentiation with respect to z. In this term there is no z, so no problem. Minus into minus plus x as it is, z cube differentiation 2z square. 4 constant, no problem. Then e is equal to 2. Here z cube the differentiation is 3 z square. So x is there, x as it is. Now write down each and every value. I cap, because they mentioned in the unit vectors, I cap plus x square j cap plus 3x z square k cap. Clear? Now select the suitable option. So option 4 is correct. Now come to last one. Consider the situation as shown. The work done in moving a charge q from 2d to d is. We have a linear charge y from, this is 2d and this is d. One work done in a moving charge q. So we need to bring q from 2d to d. So electric field due to this thing where E is equal to 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught lambda by r. Clear? Work done formula W is equal to delta V into Q. So we need to find delta V. Delta V is equal to, according to previous formula, E into dr. Clear? Minus. So we need to bring charge from where to where? 2d to d. So this minus integration of 2d to d, V value is what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda by r into dr. Remaining all right outside. Lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught integration